Consider OH referral. Engage can be programmed to pick up high risk factors for long-term absence. One of the possible management actions that can be linked with these flags is to consider occupational health, or OH referral, which is a type of task for the manager to complete in Engage. Once the trigger is tripped, the managers will be notified of the task on their daily task reminder emails. To complete the task, you can either click on the link in the email you received or log into Engage and find it in the task section. You can search your tasks by employee name or shortlist them by type. On the right-hand side, you'll see a tabbed navigation area where you can view the current absence and review the full absence history in order to make your decision. If you think that advice from an occupational health advisor would be helpful, you should follow your company's normal referral process. Once that's done, come back to the task page and complete this task to confirm the date you completed the referral. If you decide that referral is not relevant in this instance, simply choose No and submit the task.